A lot of people say younger women naturally prefer older men, and in many cases that's true. Emotional control, life experience, patience, and stability give older men a real advantage, an advantage most younger men simply haven't earned yet. But here's the hard truth. Most older men don't know how to use this advantage properly. I've seen men in their 50s, 60s, and beyond repeat the same mistakes with younger women again and again. And every time they do, they don't just lose attraction, they lose respect. And once respect is gone, attraction never even gets a chance to grow. That's the real loss, because older men already have everything they need. They just misuse it. The good news? You don't need to reinvent yourself. You don't need to act younger, richer, or trendier. You just need to stop making these mistakes. Let's break them down. Mistake number 1, putting her on a pedestal. You meet a younger woman who's attractive, confident, maybe a little intimidating, and suddenly your energy shifts. You become overly polite, overly careful, afraid to say the wrong thing. Conversations turn safe, filtered, and boring. Women don't fall for men who worship them. They're drawn to men who stand grounded beside them. When you put her above you, you signal insecurity, and insecurity kills attraction fast. The fix is simple. Normalize women. She's human, not a prize. Compatibility goes both ways. Mistake number 2, mishandling the age question. How old are you? For many men, this simple question collapses their confidence. Their voice drops, posture changes, and suddenly, age becomes a weakness. Age isn't the problem, your reaction is. Say it calmly, say it confidently. No apology, no explanation. Confidence turns age into strength. Hesitation turns it into a liability. Mistake number 3, leading with money. Some older men believe money is their biggest asset, so they lead with status, cars, trips, or success stories. That doesn't build attraction, it builds transactions. When you lead with money, you reduce yourself to a resource. Let success reveal itself naturally. Lead with character, values, and presence. Mistake number 4, acting like a mentor. Many older men slip into teacher mode, offering advice, lessons, and guidance while hiding romantic intent. This kills chemistry. When you finally make a move, it feels awkward. Wisdom matters, but attraction needs polarity. Be playful. Be present. Set the tone early. Mistake number 5, trying too hard to look young. Forced slang. Trendy clothes that don't match your frame. Acting like someone you're not. This signals insecurity. True confidence comes from embracing your age, not fighting it. Dress sharp, groom well, speak naturally. Your experience is the advantage. Don't erase it. Mistake number 6, talking too much about achievements. Older men often turn conversations into resumes, career wins, credentials, past success. But attraction isn't built on accomplishments. It's built on connection. A confident man doesn't need to prove himself. His presence communicates value. Mistake number 7, neglecting physical presence. Experience alone isn't enough. How you present yourself matters. You don't need to look young. You need to look disciplined. Grooming, posture, fitted clothing, and basic fitness signal self-respect. When you invest in yourself, others feel it immediately. Mistake number 8, over-explaining yourself. Many older men feel the need to justify their choices, lifestyle, or boundaries. Over-explaining weakens authority. Calm men don't defend their existence. They state and move on. Silence and certainty speak louder than explanations. Mistake number 9, seeking approval instead of choosing. Attraction dies the moment you need her validation. Younger women aren't looking for perfection. They're drawn to grounded masculinity. A man who chooses, not begs. A man who knows his worth without asking for permission. At the core of all these mistakes is one thing: not fully owning who you are. Stop apologizing, stop proving, start standing firm in yourself. That's not just how attraction changes. That's how your entire life shifts. I'll see you next time.